You probably found this video because on your Shark Robot Ion RV750, you have the clean light blinking red. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So basically the Cliff Glide sensors need to be cleaned, and there are 4 of them. So what you want to do is take a Q-tip, something soft, a cloth or something else like that, and just clean these right off right here, right where these are at. These are your Cliff sensors. Just want to make sure they're all nice and clean. Get the dust off, any debris that might be there. And your robot should be good to go. Thanks for watching.